As our lives evolve, our interactions with the social world occur at three important levels. The first level is our relationships with parents. The next level is a personal relationship with our partners and loved ones. And the third level is professional relationships with colleagues, bosses, subordinates, clients, and others. We all want these relationships to be healthy and efficient. However, not everyone succeeds. The question is, how can we make our relationships work the way we want them to? This is exactly what we teach at our webinars, which for your convenience we have organized into three series, namely favorable parent-child relationships, happy relationships in couples, effective professional communication. In this series, we will provide you with tools that will elevate your relationship building skills in the above three areas to the top, no matter how shy, introverted, or uncommunicative you are. As a result, you will be able to liberate yourself from emotional childhood traumas, understand and, if needed, forgive your parents for their actions and start communicating with them at a new adult style with mutual understanding and love. With our help, we will also practice in choosing the best partner if you don't have such yet, or improve and build existing relationships, filling them with passion, compatibility, interest, and mutual respect. Finally, you will learn how to grow in professional communication, work in a team, attract and satisfy your clients, resolve conflicts, influence your audience, present yourself in the most advantageous way, and develop your own business. How often does it happen that we look at successful people who are communicative, feel comfortable with others, are easygoing and effective in networking, and say, "Oh, I would like to be like them"? If you ever had the same desire, sign in for our programs and you will receive the key to building successful relationships in any area of life, be it a family, love, or career. And who knows, maybe someday someone will look at you and say, "Oh, I would like to be like them."